This video will show you how to install the OmniKey contactless encoder to the BARMEL ID printer. Disconnect the USB cable and power cord. Turn the printer and remove the two Torx T10 screws that secure the top cover. Now remove the top cover. Remove the marked screw from the main card. Remove the connection jumper. Install the connection card that comes in the kit. Secure the card by installing the long screw that comes in the kit. Apply light pressure to remove the section of the buttons. Now install the encoder module by sliding it until it is solidly installed. Place the cables by locating them as seen and then connect them to the previously installed card. Reinstall the button section. Reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the two screws that were previously removed. The contactless encoder has been installed. For more information, contact your local provider.